Welcome back. Today we're going to do something just a little bit different. Today we're going to start the My Car Shop Cobble Challenge. You aren't going to want to miss this. I'm Mike and this is My Car Shop.
Working out of a 100-year-old refurbished barn, bringing 35 years of experience to projects considered beyond repair. Vision, creativity, and problem solving are essential tools in this place. Watch as we transform junk into polished metal miracles. This is My Car's Shop.
I think most of us have enough experience working on old cars like this or newer and have run into some pretty sketchy stuff as we're working on things. And my dad and I were talking about that yesterday actually when we were working on the Oakland, that a big part of restoring these old cars is not just fixing what has worn out over time, but also fixing what mechanics, and we realized no, it wasn't mechanics, but what people had done to the vehicle over time out of lack of resources, lack of money, lack of availability of parts, or just plain old not knowing any better. And so I thought it would be great to throw down the gauntlet and ask this of all of our partner channels like Bad Tree Productions and DUDDIE'S Adventures and Iron Horse Garage and Muscle City Madness and a few others that I'm probably not thinking about right now, but I'll call them out on this one and then they can call out others. And we're going to do this. Tell me the story, tell us the story of the worst cobble job you've run into when you're working on a car. I've had a few of them. One of them I remember from when I was working in a rod shop. A guy had on a 68 Mustang, I believe it was, put the bulkhead back onto the firewall with a screw about this long and ran it right into the back of the fuse box and completely melted the wiring. Another one that I've run into is nails used in place of cotter pins on safety issues like wheel bearing nuts and tie rod. The worst one I think I ever saw was a tie rod end that had fallen apart and was duct taped back together again. There's all kinds of scary stuff out there, and I want you to tell us the stories of what you've run into. If you don't have your own YouTube channel, here's what I want from you. Drop your stories down here in the comments, and there might just be a prize for the craziest story told. So go ahead and put those down there right now, and while you're at it, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do that. That would be great. And yeah, we're just going to see where this goes. So again, I'm calling out those specific channels. You guys tell me, tell us your scariest stories and the things that you find for cobble jobs on old cars that you've worked on, or trucks. We'll include trucks too, Duddy. We don't want you to feel left out. I think all of us that work on these cars have these stories and we want to hear them. So let's hear them all. All right, let's see where the challenge goes. This is just a fun thing between all of us, partner channels, sister channels, whatever you want to call us. All of those who kind of band together with similar sized channels. We appreciate it, and we enjoy each other, and we have a lot of fun poking fun at each other. So, but this is a fun one. We've done other challenges in the past. Check those out. We've done the One That Got Away challenge. We've done the taco challenge. And so I thought I'd start a challenge this time and throw down the gauntlet and say, tell me the stories of the worst cobble jobs you've ever seen. All right, that's going to do it. This is just a short one, but I'm looking forward to hearing all of these stories, and tell your friends about this stuff. And if you haven't subscribed to the channels that I mentioned, please do that as well. These are very supportive of My Car Shop, just like we support them. And like I said, there are many more I know I'm not thinking about, but the ones that I mentioned specifically are very important. Bad Tree Productions, Muscle City Madness, DUDDIE'S Adventures, Iron Horse Garage are the four that I'm calling specifically out on this challenge right now. All right, that's going to do it for this episode. As I said, if you haven't subscribed, please do that. Hit the bell so you receive those notifications. We are on other social media platforms / My Car's Shop. And one more thing, we can't forget this.